Ada me who say papa will say or your soroba no nyamia shirano. Any election petition no. Who say election petition no? Me a lawyer ni o. Petition no. Na only nana adodankwa Akufo-Addo. If we are see the cheapest thing you can do. So begin political platforms. Choboy! Yes, yeah. And we'll be able to make a choboy. Near poor Ben Menyan Safo, who are called Supreme Court. Supreme Court, the Anya Choboy. Supreme Court, the Anya Choboy. I drink. Nana Akufo-Addo crowd, I loyano. One crown Kojina that kenim. Nana Akufo-Addo and Kojina that Kawaya lawyer Cassia pa. Papai. Onyansafoi and ko gina adaka nimo and our MPP anim and e ho to yen mame ka se ba control me wo enanfufu be ye enum a won person won di flag bearer ebinum ka kire me se me medun wachi akompra ka ho me na ko Adisada College joga tete me as a lawyer. Alaja Martin, Oko school, I'm a call at Adisada College. But here, Jacundi, books to be a me here be out there, mammy. Now, Emina, your woman, dear. I was your fool, Emina, your woman, dear. And this, I call your mistake. I confirm waba. And this, I mistake. I confirm waba. Now, what shall I confirm? I was in a 2024 election. Now, Mr. Digital. Han and a walk corner. Han and a walk corner. Han and a walk corner. Nami wahao. Abana ya tuma na Akufo-Addo no. Abuwa kwa sao na mi di MP kasia power ha. Me say, ye nyina ya to abana mahan. Na Akufo-Addo. Papa bra wa bre na Akufo-Addo yi. Ye mfa odobi nchira no. Na aba mo beto no monto aba no ma no na sesi ye gina ha die enye presidential candidate yo won be kambrofo na so wutumi wini eti mesramo enye mi o enye nanado o eye MPP dachi.
I will say good morning. Yes. Me mo bibia a very good morning. Me chi obibia so bibia wa wo hwe me bia no edin ni ye gin ye osomafo ni me chi amo atiefo na hwefo obi a hwe me video bia so me dana sese ebre ne bre nyina wo hwe me video. Yes, ti me da mu nyina ase osomafo ni me kasa free Asia man mu na ene anopai me want a very simple message. Yes, I have a message for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I have a very simple message, a very straight message for where a letter na me from American say a letter to Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. Honorable Mechiao, baby bia obi ya na no pai. Menim say Yesu adomunti ajana da romane na nanom so ada romanti ho ye. Nti Honorable Mechiao. Na message ya me wa ma woni. Woni musa media me do. Mako ama wo. Na mekoso amako ama. Mekoso am so ma defend o. Na mekoso am so ma di wachi ma support o. Hosisi ebe hu say Honorable Agyapong baba ye president of Ghana. Yan de emfa ho. Ye emfa ho ne nkrofo be ye ne nkrofo be kan. Yes, because ye nimu ni awu betimi aye. Ana ye mu bi nso ma Ghana ne da yakoma so. Enti ye pe obi a leader ama na ba be rescue oman no. No wa ye ntoto ye na oman na timi aye yie. Enti ye mu bi de ba bi ejina no baga waya o. No shaky. Bibia move yan. Ni ejina ye tawachi Honorable. Ye nim say nyame no ene nananom twedi ampon ya dom a oba be ye president 2025 no. By January 7 for baby no. The best year in as the president of the Republic of Ghana. I know the synchrophobic pill, I know the yomo like a cobasso over your president and you're almost and into a move for no more to Ghana, no more to Ghana, no more to Ghana, Cronimo. But my message to you, any honorable team here. Share and Panifo say, since what Toyan young Huna, Sabi, Adia Chanswa, Sawin Fry in India, not disrespect to any fry for, but Casabebu and Amibu, no. Yes, since so Toyan one who are Sabi Adia Chin and so, and to one who from say a from Afo. And so toy and one who are there and two who sends so toy, from, or from one who sends so toy and Ranado. Now you see your best show, man, so our home. You see, may come up with the same. A Benny the baby, and your son calls the Mudakra, who calls Zunga at the Senia Sabiu. Yes, now, Yano, yet to bill, and to Ubuya bar, yet Yasia.
NPP is going to win 2024. And like what we always do, Yabaya Ajuma, hey, day, Yadia, I winning 2024. Now, so Anyataya, a senior or kind of four. Based on my knowledge of the party, now me shed the echo sujina, now me shed your datina. Meka na masremo se mama ye nyina nya ado baako na yen koto abarma Dr. Bawumia
Sabi yanyan kwada o yemu bi yani afi yanyan kwada na ye ko contest ya contest na ye ko no any pattern na ye ko na munyina to adi ba akufo achi se Bawumi anko an emedi anim you and I nsunim sem the ground is not good munim say the conditions are not favorable munim nyasa munim. Don't pretend. Munim passes currently, yeah, can't say ya Ghana. Near Manko ye. Amamunin ko ye under this government. At the moment, you. Emprempri, yes, I'm gonna make emprempri, say I'm no casting. Economic management, you know, manage ye, and ko ye. Unimunia making, and young men are making. Wouldn't say ya kasai Ghana asesina mu ayedin entoto ye nko yie amane ma boa ye akosoro ntin amasesina mu ayedin krofo ebre krofo ehu amane krofo e complain you know wunim damboche dankwaku boche wunim che Ghanaians are complaining because anema nko yie even when nipa nankasa amode na ekokora ba omi onimu say the economic situation is not good. They know finance minister call parliament no quite mid-year budget no wanga. The ground is not weak. The ground is weak. Now Sebio Nipa no na chairman of economic management chairman for economic management committee o se hwan no. Ono na mo se mo de na eko. Na mo beton ne san. Mo mpe no kware. Muchile no kware munyina mu stomach na modwene ho enti from government from president ko si hwan obi a se Bawumi no munyina support nti enye me nwanwan se enei MCs DCs government appointees nyina CEOs ne your friend is saying all the government appointees the ministers and deputy ministers MCE DCs CEOs will be the Bawumi because so omo na ma appointment into obia your stomach obia try to protect friends and the position na nkabesi den obi dey say how wakum simba be dey Agyapong atem when you say Agyapong ba dey say ya obe lose nsa ni ministerial appointment office no obe lose na juma into obia safeguard into all these people no enya no kware na omo kan one more close eyes on the reality because of their stomach. nti almost ankrofo nyina wa ban mu na me kan ministers, deputy ministers, MPs bi no money, CEOs ne DCEs no money, MCs ne nyina akodi a kire because obi a person ba omi aba no okoso tena ne position ho no wo didi min no ye corrupt na afoforo nso mere. Nti you people are not thinking about the party. What you are thinking is about your stomach. As simple as that. Because munim say currently, you know, say the situation is not good in Ghana as it's under this government. And Baumia as a vice president, you know, won't mean any home free because at the end of the day, no crowd and economic management. No. Nasa niema nko yi ania mai to kan krofo complain a wo de ne election so o kwaye den. Unwini you will lose. What dream you say? Aba wo kwa wo here 50.1% no MPP for nko atoma wa obewini unwini. You still need floating voters. You need the street people. You need the ghetto boys. Now these street people, these ghetto boys, these friends and floating voters, they don't like Baumia. That is the truth. Nti yamfa kan Japan kwa no mfa ne nkwa na mu nyina bekodi a chile to the sense afedi mo party ne mpanefo nyina no mo campaign against kan Japan and na mu nyina heli Baumia because of Mutomak. And to honorable kan Japan team here, this is my message to you. Mafutu only say from every indication party na your margin say mu mpanefo ne nipa egum ne nyina asom de Baumia ama Baumia ko nka beba ne sen na dambotwe papa ni mu a wo why election for many years no ba be can asem we or can because or ye CEO and you know or that STC ano so na CEO for STC ya man position into onya na no aduane into be can sa emreku a wonimu say the ground is not good. Baumia and then papa Kufuado no as we speak the economy in Ghana is not good into the nekwa enkrofo beto abati ya yen no almost one or one of them because some American no obi adwen the position ho yafunu ene ha and honorable kan Japan me dey master mutintin ntiatia nyina ne say please fa ho adwene say ye meme no kura mpo no a enka me ha me ho kura me nko sa delegate one ho anka I will withdraw no mo fa nkoma Baumia. It's as simple as ABCD. Yen dey enim say by hook or crook, these people have decided to, you know, give it to Baumia by hook or crook. Who we need to come from Baumia. That is, and now obey the crown where you need. So much you can no my influencing crop when you have any untuminam how echo boa and panifu what party nimu council of there's a party nimano obey you where the camera is so. Ain't the fact of the matter and say. Please advise yourself to home for. Don't waste your time, don't waste your energy, don't waste. Now, a real senior say, action speaks louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. In say, honorable say, when you swadi hunu na per se, wo babeji or my Ghana, ye now, over to Tony and Mamma or my Ghana fan and to my per. Ifrano Stebeba Muamma na bo 2025 for American Obaba Beye president ya TME honorable Canada Agyapong Ohene TME Sawani swadi hunu no beba Muamma Beye president ya I just say utu anamobi na namono na mebe chire we because from every indication actually say microphone cruise no ma adwen say ombe wiem e dia Baumia o my adwen say by hook or crook it is Baumia and no other person so na microphone na your adwen and these are crooks mpanifu a wo ma didi oh in fact sometimes ya na metna se na mehwe ne MPP mpanifu yi ye wo pa ya almost say pattern na ama pattern no ni ani daso any hope party in the future. I just say clear some panifo way this old people here omatna abaimu didi abaimu ache been occupy position for so long in the party. Now, idea papa we pa will beat the papa we na me will boo pa man pa damboche. When it comes to elections, damboche wa boo MPP pa or election. An intelligent mind like him, but when he kaya papa we. When he kaya no, I know. Because me tenasi am a rare ho and I make cano and my me rare ho. Na me conclude say if this is how I empanifu ya elect so muni party me so no. A person who running MPP partner there and you're not partner you're hopeless. Now it has no hope, it has no future. I just say you're clear. Some panifu we these old people here occupy positions. They said damboche nimu panifu did the party na nimu I stomach direction. Because ocean ya omo ye omu nyina ko di ba omi achi no mu nyina Niamu ye Sebe. Since when the MPP cry the party flag bearer na ye benya say abamum panifo nyina from the presidency Ekosi party executive omu nyina to akodi one candidate echi say sa nipa no ne de na eko. Meanwhile the ground is not favorable, the ground is not good. The foundation is very weak. In the end, me fabro sanko see weak foundation we so be juri agu. But sabe, my conclusion in an panifo way they are doing all this, and they are hailing Baumia and Omunina ko support Baumia, and now they are talking against Canada Agyapong. They are gagging against him because Omu stomach people. They are all stomach people. Omu amudi Baumia chinyina a stomach. A stomach, a comsi. Enti Ohene Agyapong way. Ya papa, Canada Agyapong. Ya wafa Canada Agyapong. Ya nana Canada Agyapong. Ohene Agyapong. Onyonyamfo chairman. Mafutu nyina say, and how leave them. Mama come congress or conference. No man fan come about. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your resource. Don't waste your energy because they will not give it to you. Even if you win, and they have decided a idea from the presidency. President Nankasa one kind of statement na into honorable person Chilemisenti. Akufuado President Akufuado no or support to all can Japan than on one doba Baumiana. Enter instruction from above. President no. While catch them near appointees in CEOs, Nemone, MC, DCEs, minister, deputy ministers, no, while catch them someone to Baumia, they should all support Baumia. And the Baumia no one echo. And this delegate conference or whatever, no, a forward. It is something they have already decided. They are just going to declare Baumia the winner. And we see what that you go independent. Yes, now, the street better amount, ghetto boys better amount. The undecided, the floating voters, you better amount to call independent. Train December no electoral commissioner no obey nomination. Go and file your nomination as independent candidate. Opekra to party. Yes, one kind what to party. Common sense party. With the youth. Yan pe no kware na ye pe omani ye ne pe omani kanko na ye nso hwehwe de ye di ama ye ho no ye be support on ato ama masem nyina ni nti honorable my message or my letter to you ne say please go independent and not to party me support on be president no na omomfa nkomo ba omiya na election 2024 no ye be hwe enti masem nyina no be me kan wo honorable wonim. Hey, na dia party nyina nipa egum nyina do mo support akoma Baumia ena omu nyina tan wani ne ye cancer money fa ho enti be den na wo be ko nipa omo koto agban so ye empanifu e wo party ye mu the MPC ene MC ni DC for ya o ene the elders of the party. Now, can you imagine say elders of the party create me bo ho pose kan Japan ye nya kra ye be yi ne din afiri mu endi adwene o mafa no and they said won't to me na mo oboa elders ya no a omujimi enti that and no quarrel say Ken on crop for no MPP no mo correct o my imagine say ba omi anom de ne beko embreku omunim say e form ye slippery nyema nko yie as we speak ye the way ko wura next year election mu na ba omi an ye de ne economy the economy is getting worse and worse each day so mo mpɛ no kware nti mo mfa ne nko nanka wo no ko independent man why my this ready nyina no me chia ba bibia wo bia ona bo kan Agyapong please my this ready nyina ne say ko independent and ato party wow no kan wasa mo betimi at party ne kura na what to din common sense party yes and now the youth party and now say the new generation party ya be support am wa wi ni no mo mfa mba omi anko because enko say we see can say wadaje these delegates no they will not vote for you because you are treated as come home and aban no powerful than you because the government machinery no more use no they have paid money to them they have bribed them unim Ghana o asama American unim nka how akumsi mabekeka enze hu na kire o protecting the office obia adwene ne yafunu ho enye party no enti enya de a omo no sankrofo wei wa nkrofo MPC MCs ni DCs for ya munyina ne government appointees bebrebe ministers and deputy ministers on beto abama wo kan ajaba omia obi adwene ne yafunu ho ene ne position enti all indications no everything is clear at the TV3 very clear enko waste time please honorable and say wadaje don't go waste your money your time and everything on this delegate conference because they will not give it to you masemu nyina no independent na yen support na be ye president no titia go as independent nyame nhyira nipa bi open no kware ye mu bi de ye wo arehemu wo honorable Agyapong na ye nim say wotie nyame kan na obekọ independent na so obet the party a obewini abaye president because obenya support from even NDC for no kura ebin ho and now most people no so Ghana no epen no kware and na currently no bi nso ahun se akufu ado ne ba omi amamu no enko yie na de ne enko yie no na osan de ba omi amamu na aba eso o meye den o meye president enti street no ne nipa bi o mpa no kware Ghana ho they will not vote for Baumia enti please call independent and not a party na yenta wachi na win election ne be president simple as this enti me dem chia ho honorable makasa wie masem nyina no that is the message to you utia na wo ye no saa ebeboa wo na beboa ye nyina ma anisuade hunu no abam na emomu no sawantie na wo ye wadwen se wo kodi omo congress wo se
Salam alaikum wa alaikum salam.